Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rotate display on your MacBook Air M5. To do that, first of all we're gonna have to open system settings on our MacBook. Then you're gonna have to hold down Option key on your keyboard, and holding down this button, navigate to Displays menu. So select Displays, and this will open the extended displays settings, and the extension is the rotation option basically. So what we have to do in order to rotate our screen is change the standard rotation to 90 degrees if you want to rotate your device by 90 degrees. And then you're gonna have to either confirm changes or revert them within 15 seconds. By default, the changes will be automatically reverted after 15 seconds. And now if you want to rotate the screen back, just select standard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.